Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class we are going to study the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is univariate probability distribution. In this topic we are going to learn two terms. First term is probability distribution and second term is probability mass function. So let us start with the first term, probability distribution. Probability distribution. The way in which the total probability is distributed over various values of a random variable is called a probability distribution of that random variable. If the random variable x takes the values, say x1, x2, x3 up to xn with probability say p1, p2, p3 pn respectively, then its probability distribution is given by in the form of a table. X variable, its values x1, x2, x3 xn, and the corresponding probabilities: p1 the probability of x1, p2 the probability of x2, p3 is the probability of x3, likewise pn is the probability of xn. And if we sum of all the probabilities p1 plus p2 pn, then it comes out to be 1. This tabular form is called as a probability distribution. We shall see one example to elaborate the concept in more detail. So let us consider the example. Consider the experiment of tossing up two coins. We know that if we toss two coins, there are 8 outcomes of the experiment. Suppose the random variable x is the number of heads. Here the random variable x, which denotes the number of heads obtained. When we toss two coins simultaneously, then the head coming on the upper side is our random variable x. Then it takes three values: 0, 1, 2. Since there are two coins, the maximum number of heads we get are 2 and the minimum number of heads we obtained is 0. So the values of x lies between 0, 1 and 2 with their corresponding probabilities 1 upon 4, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4 respectively. Means the getting the number of heads 0 has the probability 1 by 4, and similarly obtaining one head in the experiment, its probability is 1 upon 2. Likewise, obtaining two heads has the probability 1 by 4. Then its probability distribution is given by, write down in the tabular form, x takes values 0, 1, 2. At the same time their corresponding probabilities are: 0 has probability 1 by 4, 1 has probability 1 upon 2 and 2 has probability 1 by 4. If we add all these three values, means 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4, we get 1. So it is a probability distribution. We shall start with the next concept, probability mass function. So start with probability mass function. This probability mass function is abbreviated as PMF. This is the notation of probability mass function. Similarly, the notation of random variable is R dot V dot. We have already learned all these terms. Consider a random variable x which is discrete random variable. Let x1, x2 dot dot xn be the possible values of random variable x. Here we denote the random variable x by a capital alphabet x, while their values are denoted by small letters x1, x2 like this. Be the possible values of random variable x. With each possible value of xi, we associate a number p of xi, that is nothing but probability that x has value xi, called the probability of xi. Means for each value we assign a number pxi, which is nothing but its probability. The number we have associated pxi I equal to 1, 2, 3 dot dot n must satisfy the following conditions. Condition number 1 is the number pxi we have associated with a random variable xi must be positive, means it is greater than equal to 0 for all I. This notation is stands for all. First condition is the associated number pxi must be positive, and second condition is if we add all these numbers then its sum comes out to be 1. So it is, if we add all the numbers associated with each value of a random variable x, then it comes out to be 1. I is from 1 to n. These are the two conditions for the number pxi. Number 1, each value is positive and their sum should be 1. Then the function p is called, we have defined probability p is called a probability mass function of the random variable. This function is known as probability mass function, which is abbreviated as PMF. This is the probability mass function. In this way, in this topic, we learn the two term probability distribution and probability mass function. In probability distribution, we see how a total probability is distributed over the various value of a random variable x, and in probability mass function we associated with each value of a random variable a number which satisfies the two conditions. Which are they? The first condition is that associated number pxi must be positive, means it is either 0 or greater than 0, and if we add all these numbers then it should be 1. Then and then only that function p is called a probability mass function of that corresponding random variable x. In this way we complete our today's lecture. We will meet in the next lecture with the next concept from the continuous uniform distribution. In the previous lectures we have already learned continuous uniform distribution and exponential distribution. Further, many more chapters are taken and they are present on our Learn Statistics channel. For example, measures of central tendency, basic terms of statistics, some mathematical concepts of some mathematical concepts which are also useful in statistics are also discussed in our channel. If student want to learn all the lectures, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of each playlist of each topic are given in the description box. If student like this lecture, then click on the like button and subscribe to Learn Statistics channel. Further, they are requested share these videos with your friend in order to learn them the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. If student have some query or problem, then do write in the comment box. I will resolve your query as soon as possible. So we shall stop here. We will meet in the next lecture with the next concept. Till then, thank you.